Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Tuesday morning. It is the 9th day of April, and at 4 o'clock in the morning, it is dry at this location right now, but there are showers close by, and I will show you future radar, and we'll see how that complicated storm system, which is lumbering towards the Georgia border, will affect us today with maybe another shower threat, but the severe weather threat is edging east of us. So what about the rest of the week? We'll talk about a nice Wednesday and Thursday. We'll look ahead to a storm system that could swing a squall line towards Alabama late Thursday night into Friday. Will there be any strong storms by the time it gets here? Plus, if you are a regular viewer of this video, you know we've been looking at this storm system coming up this coming Sunday, and we've been talking about it for a long time and its severe weather potential. There is new information on timing on this system, and we'll look at another system in the middle of the next week, which again looks to be a potential severe weather threat. That low-pressure system spinning out of southwest Alabama will reach the Alabama-Georgia border by about dawn, with the strongest showers and thunderstorms, I think, out ahead of it. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has a severe weather risk covering much of Georgia and the Carolinas today. But for us, the threat of scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around just about any time. Nothing severe today, and nothing widespread, but spotty showers. And you can see how they are rotating around that low-pressure area. Interesting to see the counterclockwise circulation there. Scattered showers and thunderstorms at times today, with a high temperature up to about 79. That's what we had yesterday. Tonight slowed down to 55, and southerly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour today. Tomorrow we are sunny and warm here and into the 80s, but we note that impressive storm system in Kansas. This could be a record April snowstorm for parts of the plains and the Midwest and probably the Great Lakes as well. Thursday, I think our clouds will increase, but we're generally a warm day, a breezy day on Thursday. Here's Thursday night at 7 p.m. The front swings towards Alabama with maybe a line of thunderstorms by the Memphis area at 7 p.m. and perhaps, according to the NAM, into northwest Alabama by Friday morning at 4 a.m. The European model is a little bit behind at 7 a.m. on Friday, so maybe a weakening squall line moving into Alabama. That'll have to be monitored, but I don't think that there's a great severe weather threat with this as we move through into Friday. However, we're watching this storm system developing on Saturday. I think there'll be some showers and thunderstorms Saturday in Alabama, but the main storm system will be near the Arklatex region and gaining strength, and this will set up a potentially severe weather threat for Alabama on Sunday. This is a little faster now. This is a GFS showing maybe it could begin as early as the pre-dawn hours on Sunday and continue through Sunday afternoon with strong to severe storms and maybe some supercell thunderstorms. Certainly a tornado threat not out of the question in this situation. And there it is Sunday night at 7 p.m. moving into southeast Alabama. So that's going to have to be monitored, and we've been talking about that for quite a long time. 83 to high with sunshine on Wednesday, 84 with increasing clouds on Thursday, chance of thunderstorms late Thursday night, but more likely early hours of Friday morning, and then Friday's high around 80, scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday as a warm front moves northward in the state, and then that severe weather threat on Sunday. Here is a few days later. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday, April 18th, another potential severe weather setup. That looks concerning, and in fact, there's going to be a lot of energy or instability or, as we say in the business, CAPE available for that severe weather situation. So it's going to be inactive a few days. Get our weather app on your phone or tablet if you don't have it. It has advanced interactive radar and instant push notifications for watches and warnings. Hey, there's a great space station flyover tomorrow evening, and the weather should cooperate. Very bright, 7:53 to 7:56 p.m. Coming out of the northwest, heading southeast, moving almost straight overhead. A great space station flyover tomorrow evening, and I'll remind you again on tomorrow morning's video, okay? Lots of crazy weather in the U.S. this week. It's hard to imagine that millions of Americans are getting ready for a blizzard. I mean, it's well after spring break, but we're talking about what could be a record April blizzard in the middle of the country. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, and Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog. And, of course, Ryan Stin and I will be talking weather on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Join us on TV at 5:50 a.m. and another update at 6:40 a.m. with the entire our staff and their staff meshing together for discussion, and another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45. Hey, when you're out and about across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations, that's where you'll find my forecasts all the time. We'll see you later. Have a great day.
Rich Thomas Weather.